guys, welcome back to Alaina and Group. So sorry I haven't posted in like forever. But actually, YouTube is not letting us post and it's really annoying. So hopefully this time I can post a little video. So yeah, as you can tell, this video is a little bit more edited than the last ones where we were like looking all dumb and stuff. So hopefully we can edit the most videos that we can. So yeah, today I'm going to be doing my squishy collection. Since I already did my slime collection. So yeah, let's just get started. And by the way, I'm going to be super fast. I'm just going to be like, unicorn, dog, you know. I'm going to start with my animal type. Squish, delish, dinosaur. Tiger. Unicorn. Sleeping kitty. Wow, bumblebee. And I'm not putting them in packaging because, you know. Turtle. Smooshy mooshy. I have to open it. Wasting freaking time. Smooshy mooshy koala with a little donut. And smooshy mooshy lemony. Milk carton. Wow, monkey. Really ugly homemade frozen yogurt cup. Big giant squish fun butterfly bear. Panda. Sloth. Gigantic koala cup. Little bitty squish delish pug dog. Squish delish shark floaty. Squish delish toilet bowl. Kitty on a cloud. Rainbow manatee. Cactus. Galaxy owl. Sorry I'm not letting them rise, but that would be too long of a video, girl. Oh shoot. Anyways, octopus. This is by Cutie something. Cutie Fairy maybe? Penguin. Rainbow koala. Piggy. Kitty. And then cow donut dude. Next is food and animals combination. Like, let me give you an example. Cat fries. You see what you picking up what I'm throwing down? Been doing a lot of talking. So the first animal squishy, or food combination with animal / food, is this eye bloom kitty pancake. Yeah, there you go. Super squishy. And it smells like freaking chocolate, dude. And it's eye bloom. And if you don't believe me, here you go. That says eye bloom on it if you can't see. Anyways, next, I have a Hebrew cookie. A marshmallow strawberry cake. A big hamburger. A head of a hamster. That sounds terrible. Half of a Hebrew ice cream. Other half of a Hebrew ice cream. Big old Hebrew hanamaki bread. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce that. Frappuccino. And Michaela also has the squishy, so you know, twins. Anyways, beach ball from Five Below. I know it's not food, but who cares? Cake. Almost forgot what it was. fries. And here is the tag because I need all want to see it. Kitty with a little teacup. What's the tea? Meow. Anyways, I'm terrible. Milk carton, which matches my mini milk carton, dude. Where does it go? Look at it. Oh, yeah. Basketball, also from Purple Blue. I forgot this animal. No, it's an animal combined with fish. Food. No, I actually did forget that animal, but it's an animal, so cat burger. I know you want to see the tag, even though it's the same. Let me flip it. French fries. Do that donut. That was really slow. Y'all didn't even get to see it. There you go. Poop corn. Amazing taco. Little bitty cone piece. Now time for the fruit. / other foods that are in the fruit box for no reason. Ice cream. Rainbow ice cream. That is definitely a fruit. So organized. Strawberry. Peach or butt. Whatever you want to call it. Super squishy. Mango. OMG. You want a stick? Oh my god. Okay, so this is like a situation. I have to peel this off without peeling. I did it. Okay, here we go. A reedy mango, dude. Grapefruit. Oh, you didn't even get to see it. Here it is. It's like yellow here and like pink and really squishy. A lime. And in case you didn't know what a lime looks like, it's yellow here and then green. What else is back here? Okay, 2 more. Oh, never mind. Banana. And a pineapple. And I almost forgot. I have a big bread here too. Very squishy. So yeah, here you go. I'm just squishing this because I love it very much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell if you want to see my face or Michaela's. And probably wasted it. Rather see Michaela's face. She's a lot cuter. Because look at me. Anyways, so I hope you guys like that squishy collection. Comment down below what your favorite squishy was out of my collection. Because honestly, if you don't comment down below this, who are you? I'm just playing, y'all. Being goals. Anyways, too long of an outro. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Can we just... I have to put all those back into the bin. It's gonna be fun.